tune up your cough etiquette. First, always cough into your elbow, not your hands. This stops germs from spreading. And don't forget, if you use a tissue, toss it right away and wash your hands. Next, keep some distance from others when you feel a cough coming. It's not rude, it's smart. And if you're at home, open a window for better airflow. Wear a mask to protect others and use hand sanitizer regularly. Lastly, stay hydrated and get plenty of rest. Your body needs it to fight off whatever's making you cough. So remember, elbow coughs, tissues in the bin, and keep it clean. Master these tips and you'll be a cough etiquette pro in no time. Stay healthy, friends. Like and subscribe for more quick health tips.